Do you want to learn how to dribble like that in between your legs? Then you need to do these 4 steps. By the way, if you want to see more of these kind of videos, let me know down in the comments and let's get started. So step 1, first learn to dribble. Seems basic, but you want to learn to dribble with your right hand and with your left hand. Seems very easy, but sometimes your left hand can be a bit messy. That's the first thing you want to practice, dribble with both hands. Now you've mastered dribbling with both your hands, we're going to go to step 2, which is going to be cross dribbling, just like this, between your hands. Just to get the feeling of the motion when we get to the final step, you know, when you have to dribble in between your legs. And just practice this for a few seconds. And if you can do this without, you know, it slipping out of your hands, then we can go over to step 3. So step 3, which is kind of a big jump, you want to step out wide and then just dribble in between your legs. Don't worry if you don't hit it like first time, you know, it can happen, it can slip out of your hands just like this. But just stand wide and just let it dribble in between your legs. You can see I'm kind of like squatting down a bit every time. You don't really need to do that, but it makes it feel better or it dribbles nicer, you know, you can do that. But yeah, just practice this. Okay, so this is one of the final steps, step 4. You now want to do step 3, which you want to try to get your feet closer. So every time, you know, you can feel, I can do that. Bring your feet more inside to make it harder. So you can see. Oh, this is pretty easy. Let me get my feet closer. It's also very easy. Feet more closer. And just practice this until you just randomly out of nowhere can dribble in between your legs. Till you get that. And when you have mastered dribbling in between your legs, you can do moves just like these.
I go the extra mile, check my style, dripping in the grocery aisle. With my chick, I'm with my child. I don't know what made you smile. Hoes a while, all the while. ID up like out of bounds. Shoot your shot, I'm blocking it. You hating if you.
So guys, I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you want to see more of this kind of videos or have any questions on how to do something with basketball, let me know down in the comments, so I'll make another video about that. And yeah, thanks for watching. Hope you learned the skill to dribble in between your legs. And yeah, wish you a nice day. Goodbye.